your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Well, welcome back, and thank you for staying up late. It's now technically Sunday, but good morning to you. We had an interesting week in the rearview mirror because we were 47 today, but if you recall, we started the work week Monday, really Sunday, Monday, with a little bit of snow. We had 1.4 inches of snow, a couple of days in the 30s. Tuesday was the coldest. Then we spiked up to 50 on Wednesday. But if you are interested in the snow, it is not uncommon to get snow. It's just the fact that it's coming in so fast. Take a look at this. This is the Lexington snow normal, about 14.5 inches, but we've actually picked up about 4 times the normal amount for November. What am I talking about? I'm talking about we've normally averaged about 0.4, and we picked up 1.7. Most of that came on the last day of November, and then we've had 1.4 so far, just under 1.5 inches, giving us a grand total of 3.1 inches. That's about 0.8 inches above average for the entire month. Now, we're only 7 days into the month, and there's still some more snowflakes in the forecast for Wednesday. I'll talk more about that here in just a moment, but that's just one of the things to take a look at. 3.1 inches. By the way, not as cold tonight. We've seen temperatures come up a little bit in the last few minutes, in the last few hours. Sun to clouds tomorrow. If you're doing some shopping, maybe you're checking out the Cirque, the Cirque Dreams holidays that's going on at Rupp Arena. Rainy Sunday night. That's going to really come in especially well after dark, and then rain early on the Monday morning time frame. Those are the things that we're talking about in the bullet points. But temperature right now, 42 in Lexington. It's 43 in Richmond, Berea, and we got 43 in Jackson and Hazard. Temperatures are not as harsh or as cold as they've been, but the wind chill still moving because it feels like it's in the mid-30s. Those wind gusts are still pretty busy at this hour. 23 clocked in at Bluegrass, and you can see Mount Sterling's got a 23-mile-an-hour gust as well. So tomorrow, it wouldn't surprise me if we're 25 to 30 for gusts, but it's going to be a warm wind because it's coming in from the south and west. That should push us into the mid-50s. That's kind of nice. Sun's up at 7:42 tomorrow. We'll see a milder start to the afternoon at 48. Gusty winds, and then more clouds. Are looking for a high about 54 degrees. Now, that's the satellite radar showing those arrows coming in from the south and west. That's a warm weather direction. But watch what happens as this moisture begins to gather. Clouds begin to gather tomorrow afternoon. By tomorrow evening, it's widely scattered. It's not till well after dark. This is midnight, 24 hours from now. Just buckets of rain coming down across the Commonwealth, pushing out of the way by the time the morning drive gets really going. And then it's more scattered showers for the rest of the afternoon. But most of this will be concentrated in the wee hours of the morning. And the rainfall amounts may be gathering about a ½ inch to 1 inch. We could easily see that as we slide into Monday, and then there's a little bit more of rain coming in on Tuesday. So some of us will pick up close to a ½ inch. Frankfurt about 0.92, so about a ½ inch to 1 inch certainly on the table. So what's the next big thing? It's the cold Arctic air. That's going to be diving in here on Wednesday, some of the coldest air that we will see this week ahead. Watch that purple area or pink come down. It's going to be blasting from the Great Lakes, just dipping down to us. Should be in the low 20s for a little while. Something to watch. Low temperatures tonight. 34, what we may actually rise a little bit more and then come back down. 55 for a high in Richmond, 55 for a high in Danville, McKee, and 59. So you're in the upper 50s tomorrow if you're in Jackson as well as Hazard. Here's your Fox 56 7-day forecast. 100% chance of rain Sunday night, rain showers on Tuesday, and just a few flakes. Some widely scattered flurries and showers, light snow showers, Jordan, on Wednesday at 36 degrees. Let's get over to you.